Hello, my dear Leos. This is a love reading. I've already shuffled and laid the cards here. So, the cards that I have here are the Devil, the Six of Swords, the Strength, and the Ace of Pentacles. So, Leo, what I see here is that you were in a toxic relationship. The partner that you were in, was manipulative, and they were, dependent on you financially as well as emotionally. They were like blackmailing you all the time. They were asking for money, and whenever you were out with friends, they were jealous. And maybe you were dealing with a very toxic person, a devil energy. They were not healthy for you. This relationship was not healthy at all, and you wanted to get out of this relationship. And with the Six of Swords, I see here that you finally, you have gathered the strength, and you are actually moving out of the relationship. You have asked this person to leave, or maybe you are leaving because you were currently staying with this person. It was a long-term relationship which you were in, and you were really not happy. You were hurt all the time, and you were not because of this relationship you were not able to focus on your career as well. But once you are out of this relationship, and you are moving out of this relationship, universe here is showing me that your financial situation is also going to improve. You will get a new opportunity outside the city that you're currently residing, and you will be completely out of this person's life. So you will just pack your bags and just leave. That's the energy that I'm getting. And once you are out of the relationship, you will try to focus on yourself. Yes, see, with the romance angel cards, it's time to retreat, it's time to disconnect from the world. So you will try and maybe go on some healing spa or a retreat where you'll rejuvenate. You will focus on yourself, you will meditate, and you will try to focus on yourself, and build your strength, and maybe try to jot down the map for the for your future. Yes, and this relationship which you were in, it was a codependency. A lot of dependency was there. Addictions were affecting your life. So maybe this person that you were earlier with, maybe they were some kind of addict. So that was heavily bothering you and burdening you with the financial situation also. So yes, with the true love, there is a new romance which is going to be coming in your life very soon. Once you move out of this relationship, you heal yourself, and this new relationship can turn into a marriage situation also. So there is a wedding soon which is going to happen in the near future for you. So the energies that I see here that are around you is a Capricorn. With the Six of Swords, it can be Aquarius. Strength is a Leo. With the Ace of Pentacles, it can be a Capricornian, Taurus, or a Virgo. All right, my dear Leos, this is for today. Thank you so much. See you in your next reading. Bye bye.